Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, how to dress to look slim. So if you want to learn something amazing, style tips and tricks to e- accentuate your best features and feel confident in any outfit, you are in the right place. So let's get started. So first off, we are talking about the magic of monochrome dresses. Wearing a single color from head to toe it creates a long vertical line which can make you look taller and slimmer. Choose darker shades like black, navy or deep green for an extra slimming effect. For example, see how this black outfit creates a smooth, uninterrupted silhouette, and it's a simple yet powerful way to look instantly slimmer. I hope you get it. And next up, let's exercise smartly, adding a belt at the narrowest part of your waist. It can create an hourglass shape and draw attention to your waistline. So optimize for medium width belts in color that complement your outfit. Get it? For example, notice how this belt cinches the waist and adds definition. It's a game changer for you. I hope it will work for you. And now let's talk about necklines. V-necks and scoop necks are your best friend. They elongate your neck and create a balanced look, making your torso appear longer and leaner. Get it? For example, this V-neck top not only looks chic but also gives the illusion of a longer, slimmer frame. Next, when it comes to pant, high-waisted styles are must. They emphasize your waist and give the illusion of longer legs, and pair them with heels for an even more elegant look. Example, these high-waisted pants pair with heels create a sleek, streamlined, and that's hard to beat. And next up, layering can be your best friend for your rust and me depending on how you do it. Optimize for long, open cardigans, blazers, or duster coats that create vertical lines and avoid adding bulk. And next up, layering can be your best friend for your rust and me depending on how you do it. Optimize for long, open cardigans, blazers, or duster coats that create vertical lines and avoid adding bulk. Example, this long cardigan adds dimensions without adding any bulk, keeping the look slim and stylish. Last, patterns and fabrics is also play a crucial role too. So vertical stripes, dark solid colors and small subtle patterns are great for a slimming effect. Avoid large pants and overly thick fabrics that can add unnecessary volume. For example, vertical stripe like this draw the eye up and down, enhancing that slim look we all love. And there you have it, folks. With this simple and effective fashion tips, you will be able to dress to look slim and feel confident in any outfit. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling good. So experiment with these tips and find what works best for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more style tips and fashion advice. Thanks for watching.